National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Oldham County, northeastern Deaf Smith County, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Adrian, or 19 miles northwest of Vega, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Vega, Adrian, and Wildorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, issued until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Deaf Smith and Oldham.